Why is he so fast? I'm supposed to be. Wow, Cook is hurting me. Wow. What? Wait!
Shoot up!
No way. Don't you know? What up, everyone? Dinner here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I'm recording this late at night, so sorry if you sound a little tired, but say hi to Colton and Demba, because they're playing.
Hi.
And Demba.
Hi.
Okay, let's start this video. Alright.
No!
Oh my god, it's a pretty lady. Alright.
Grandma!
I mean, not pretty lady, old lady. You still there?
Grandma! I'm gonna kick
Oh my
you
god.
in the balls.
So now Colton's being awake and Demba's being tired. Like this.
No, I'm so tired.
Yeah, we're all tired.
Seems like someone's okay, right?
Why the black guy always gotta die?
This is the first time playing victim.
How is that racist?
Cut that out.
That's not racist, you dumbass!
I'm not cutting that out just because you said that.
That's racist!
We need more unlocked tools. What is it, gas? I'm gonna try to save it to
You
the
sounded
front.
so sped when you said that. That's racist!
You always
That's the way
I said, why does the black guy always die? That's racist. How the fuck is that racist, then? Holy fucking crap.
My
Locking
God,
the
that
house
was
shed
That was
terrifying.
What?
I hope you fucking die. I hope Leatherface ass rapes you. I hope Zach
already
watches
said that
too.
last episode.
That
You
is
already
so-
said that last episode.
No, I
That
hope
is so
No,
disgusting.
You're reusing your lines.
no.
This NBC
I said
only had
literally
7
murder.
lines.
That is disgusting.
Shut the
Colton.
fuck
You're
up.
nasty. You nasty
You're
as
sped.
fuck. You're
You're
sped. What
bitchless.
the fuck?
You're friendless.
You guys have to fight every video.
Yes.
Does he always be
latched
fucking
the
idiot?
door?
Oh my.
Don't. You dumb dick!
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Who
Bitch.
latched this door? I gotta barge it.
Demba. Actually, Demba, you go first. Hold up. Move. Go. Go, fucker. Go.
I'm out. He's near me. Oh my god! Oh my god! He's chasing me, guys. I repeat, guys. The door in the shed basement's open.
Yeah, we
So
already
you want me
got
to go
one
first?
open.
So you want me to go first, even though you abandoned me? That is such a good teammate right there.
I'm literally grabbing 2 bone scraps so I can defend myself.
No,
Oh,
because
my episode.
we'll
Oh,
unlock
no, never
that
mind. They
one
don't go to
because
code.
they'll be right
Shut
there.
the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Are you fucking kidding me?
Dude got what are you
Go,
talking
Demba,
about?
go.
They don't
Yeah,
have
they
to
do.
cook.
Oh, yeah.
I'm scared.
Hey,
Where
I
are you?
stabbed Cook in the back.
I got stabbed.
Oh my god, they did padlock
Oh,
it.
shit.
Should we escape with the car battery then? I'm gonna well.
ah.
Wait, he didn't padlock this one on the left.
Oh,
I'm
God.
locking
Johnny
this one.
and Cook are after me. Later, alligator.
Alright, I'm locking the door on the left.
Good!
This is the last time
Oh, shit.
before you playing
Oh,
victim,
this-
I'm just unlocking doors.
Oh, my God. Oh,
Alright
fuck.
guys, I
Oh, mamma mia.
unlocked the door
Oh,
on the
mamma
left.
mia.
I locked the door on the left. I'm going to unlock the gas station door.
No, I'm gonna die!
Where are you? Jump down,
Basement,
jump down.
Leatherface. I'm in the basement, you
Oh.
dick!
Well, go to the other one. Mini bone scrap. Oh my god! Cook's chasing me! Cook's chasing me! I'm running. I'm
Hey,
escaping.
hey, guys, watch this. Haha, haha, I stabbed the grandpa,
That was
stabbed the
stupid.
grandpa. Bitch, you're stupid. I'm sorry! Oh, fuck!
Yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah, right. That was a dumb move. Oh shit. Hey Johnny, how's it going?
Guys, I escaped to the gas station. Cook's here. I'm gonna try helping you guys.
I don't
Was
get
he
my
padlocked
bonus
the
card. That
door?
was fucking stupid. Why did I do that?
Oh, Julie and our I forgot. I know. Julie's getting
Guys,
stabbed.
Cook didn't padlock the door. Go to the front of the gas station. Hurry.
I'm trying to find bone scrap.
Yeah, I thought you get out of the basement. Go to the door that's out of the basement. Hurry, where are you? You're literally not telling me where you are. Oh, yeah, I unlocked the door there. I unlocked the door there. Go upstairs. Go up, go up, go up. Oh, Cook. I see Cook. I see Cook.
Oh
Run,
fuck!
Colton,
I'm running.
this way,
I'm
this
running.
way,
I'm
this way.
running. I'm running for it.
No, the other door, the other door, the other door. Demba, where are you? Demba, where are you?
I'm in the south tunnel.
Oh my god, kicks right there. Oh my god.
Shit! Shit! Oh my god!
He ran out of stamina, he ran out of stamina. Colton, if I start attacking someone and someone comes...
Oh wait!
Run! Johnny's coming. Colton, run. Run.
I don't know where I'm at, bro.
I gotta get out of it. Oh! No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Go! Go! Oh.
How am I so
No! I'm dead! I'm fucking dead! I'm fucking
Where are
dead!
you? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm out the front. I'm at the front.
I'm coming. I'm literally coming.
No!
Did he die?
Oh my god! Yes!
Did he die?
Fuck this! No!
Emma, where are you?
I'm in the exterior area, like in the front of the house.
You said that near Grandpa?
No.
Emma, hurry. Go to the front. Like, go to the left door.
So
Gas
bullshit!
station. Then we literally have to hurry. There's not much time left.
Not that one, Demba. The other one. Alright. Demba, see where we're going? Go left! Left! Not right! God, you fucking idiot.
I'm sorry this is so fucking hard.
It's oh
Demba, where are you?
Going oh my god!
Demba, over here. Demba, over here. Demba, right here.
Oh.
Run.
Imbecile. Hope you know they're
sorry.
all over there. They're
Now
all
on the
over
left
there.
faces.
No, pretty sure Johnny and Cook are over there.
Run! Demba, the front door.
I think I'm gonna die.
The front gate, Demba. Why weren't you? The front gate. Run. Run. This way.
No way.
It's fine. We escaped. See you later. Let's go. We escaped.
Oh my god, I actually escaped.
Ah, old lady.
Time to push this old lady down the stairs.
I'm gonna kick her down the stairs.
Wait, let's do this. And I spawned in the cold room. Is this good or is this bad? I don't know.
I spawned with Colton.
Alright, follow Colton.
It doesn't matter if you're making noise.
Yeah, it
Not
doesn't
to
matter for
not
this
to
part.
start when you're breaking out.
When you're breaking out, it doesn't matter. Whoa! What the fuck?
What?
Already, brother?
I just heard
Already, buddy?
Leland, you're alive. I think you're near me. Don't die. Oh my god, chicken.
Move.
Bak
Why
bak,
are you
chicken.
still hitting here?
I don't know why I said that.
Bok.
Shut up.
And Emma made noise. Apparently, somehow. Fuck.
I swear there's bone scrap here. Who's moving? Why is everyone moving?
No, a big health. Big health and bone scrap. When the
I'm gonna unlock this door. This one right here.
good.
Alright, let's go. Climb the ladder. Pete, climb the ladder.
I'll go
Johnny's
first,
found my footprints. Alright, guys, hurry, climb the ladder.
I'm climbing. Now we're out.
Oh, it's family
Alright.
house.
Yes.
Don't move. There's an unlock tool right there, so I can get that. Where's the bone scrap though? I need bone scrap.
There's bone
Watch
scrap
out,
in the house.
chicken. I don't want to go in the house. So no, I need bone scrap to defend myself.
Oh, what the fuck?
Watch out. This is like a real horror movie. Oh my god.
Don't get angry.
Shh,
Come on.
Cook's right there. Guys, Cook is going outside. Cook. Oh my god.
Lock your old man out. Okay.
Down. Fuck it.
Oh shit, everything's here.
That was like a fucking gangster.
I just jumped out the window. I just jumped out the window.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Oh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that?
Guys, I'm
Why did
making
I
the
do that?
generator.
Why
I'm
did I do
making the
that? Why did
generator.
I do that? Oh my god, I barged fucking.
Guys,
Wait,
I
where should I
barged
go?
it. I barged
Demba, you
Cook.
know, like,
Oh
you have
no!
to jump out the front.
No!
Colton, help me.
Chasing me.
You have to barge him. Barge him.
I stabbed him. I already barged Cook. I can't. And now Cook's chasing me.
Go to the exit. Go to the exit. I repeat, go to the exit. Demba, jump out the front window where Grandpa is. You know that room where Grandpa is, and there's like a window on the front. Jump through there. I repeat, jump through there.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm literally dead. No! What the fuck? Oh my
Alright, Demba,
god.
watch out.
Come on, fucking bitch! Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I'm getting bone scrap. I'm getting bone scrap.
For fuck's sakes.
I'm dead.
Fall to me. Don't worry, guys. I'll avenge you.
Fucking Christ.
Bro, why does the jump out the window do so much damage?
Get my stamina back up. Come on, right there. Why is he so fast? I'm supposed to be this. Wow, Cook has heard me. Wow. Come on, come on. Oh my god. Sucks that you guys die. Oh my god.
Yeah, they're dangerous. And oh my god. I swear to God.
Let's do this shit.
Old ladies.
Sunny
in a
died
row.
all 3 times.
Yes. Sunny died all 3 times, and the fucking pretty lady. Not pretty lady, old lady.
Alright, follow me. Crash,
That. This is one really going after me.
Don't worry. Sneak attack. Got him. Red got him.
Got him!
Did he escape, Demba?
Got him! Got him!
I stay in the same room. Go after me. I
my
swear to.
efficiency still sucks though.
God, he's going in the same room. Yeah, he's coming back. Oh, he's after me. He's after me.
Demba, why would you just stay there? Where are you?
North
I see, go to the crack.
storage
Go to
room.
the crack. Go to the crack. Go to the crack.
I don't know what crack you're talking about, man. Why are you fast, bro?
And watch out. I'm behind you.
Why is a face ass?
Bro, I just stunned him 2 times. Run them. He's mad.
Y'all need
Come
help?
over here.
Oh, why would I go do that?
And so he's gonna chase me. He's gonna chase me. I'm getting more bonus right after that.
Never mind, he's chasing me.
Demba,
Oh,
why would
he's
you go
restarting
through
his.
there?
Never mind, he's restarting his chainsaw.
Alright. I need more bonus for that. Colton, you unlock doors, I guess.
Where?
Go to the,
Where's
like,
crack?
keep
What
running
crack?
on that
What?
hall and go to the crack. Go to the crack. Like, where are you running from? You see the crack in the wall?
On scram.
Where are
I'm
you?
gonna
Where are
go.
you?
Oh, dodge weeb. Dodge weeb. Dodge weeb. Motherfuck, bro, really.
Run, Demba. Actually, get out of here. Get out of here, Demba. Run. Demba, run. He's stunned for extra.
Run, stupid, run.
Oh, I did not mean to go in here, bad to
It's fine. Lock the door. Latch the door. Latch the door. Get out of there. Get out of there. I stunned bro 3 times. He's not happy.
He is not, buddy.
Is he
is
really
not
stuck
a
to me?
happy camper.
He probably fought on your
Help.
blood. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is. I'm dead.
No, he's not. Demba!
Excuse me, what the fuck?
Demba, why'd you
He's
not
still-
run the first
he's-
time when I stabbed him?
It is so pitch, bro. Like, why does like the screen have to like turn yellow and orange whenever a fucking killer's near? That's so dumb.
Why did Grandpa
It's like,
not shoot you?
Like I understand, like you're getting. I know that's a warning, but still, bro.
Oh, what? It got rid of my
like-
bone scrap? Fuck you. Sack of shit. Cook has heard you. Oh, no.
Oh, sorry, Demba. I tried helping you, but you died.
Go to the bone.
No, I don't really
buddy.
blame you. This fucking the game has
Go
like
to the
like the
baby.
scatty like shit, like all over my screen. I can't see shit.
Did you hear me, Zachary?
What?
Go to the bone room.
Oh my god, Sissy's right there.
Are they all down there?
Sissy's right there. Don't worry, I'm hiding. Shut up,
They're-
Anna. Oh my god, why is he walking around up to Oh my god, she's... Nope. See ya. Oh, that was a quick escape.
See me. You don't see me, buddy.
Shit! Shut up!
They're coming after you now, motherfucker.
I know, it's a distraction. Why'd I do that?
I need a fucking...
Bro, I'm getting cornered, I'm getting cornered.
You help? You help?
No, I'm fine. Just get out of here. I'm distracting them.
I'm not even near you. I need to get it unlocked. I need to get something, dude.
Never mind. Come on, Colt. I'm really distracting them.
I'm trying to get an unlock tool. I need to go get it. Unlock the car battery door.
But you already got the car battery door
No.
unlocked?
I need to unlock the white door.
Bro, have you not unlocked that? Ain't someone getting murdered. Colton, why didn't you get an unlock tool?
Cause that's I didn't know that Demba was gonna die like almost immediately, buddy.
Why are you blaming Demba?
Not just saying, I didn't know Demba was gonna die as fast.
Blame him like that. In the slaughter, did you unlock the door?
I am right now.
I see, you unlocked that.
Make sure none of them are coming.
How many bone scrap?
Oh my god, I think I hear Sissy.
That's me, I'm behind you, I'm behind you.
Come on!
Oh my god, run!
Shit, the spin kid's coming. The spin kid's coming. The spin kid's coming.
Hide.
I am a bush. I am a box. You don't see me.
God, how do you not see me?
Oh.
Near you, where are you?
I'm literally behind the box, the red box, the first red box.
Oh, I see you, I see you. It's right there.
You see that? Yeah, that room right by you.
Unlock tool over here.
Yeah,
this one. Do you have another unlock tool?
No. Ah! Oh my god!
Barge.
What? She left me alone. She. What?
Hold on, get another unlock tool over here. Why'd she leave you alone? She probably lost you.
No, like she ran right past her. There's no way she could have lost me. See? What is she doing?
Wait, she didn't lock that door. Should I
just go for it? You going for it?
Get an unlock tool. Wait, did she lock it though?
No, I didn't grab an unlock tool.
She didn't. I'm gonna let fish right here though. He's going to the other door though. She might like poison it. Idiot didn't trap it. Or fucking. Shit. I'm hiding. Hide.
I'm hiding.
Alright, you turn off the generator, I'll unlock the door. Wait, since he's still here. What's she doing? She's crouching.
She's hiding.
She's baiting us.
Watch this. Ah! Get the door!
I am.
Fuck you! Bitch! Get stabbed, Uber.
I'm unlocking it. I don't know if I have time though.
Don't worry, I'll keep her distracted on me. I'm
not breaking it. Colton, I think he's coming to me.
No. She sucks. She can't handle
The door's
swings.
almost locked. Do you need help?
No.
Door's unlocked. I'm gonna turn off the car battery.
Ow.
I'll help you.
Ow. Get off me, bitch!
Turn off the car battery. I'll distract her. Turn off the car battery.
Oh fuck.
Turn it off. Where is it? Are you turning it off?
Yeah. Oh shit, she's coming to me. Okay, turn it off. I'm really low
I'll
though.
take it for you. I'll take it for you.
Come on. No! No! My health is low! My health is low!
Can you stun her? Bro! I'm dead. I'm literally dead. Why is she hitting me so much?
No, I'm recovering. Come on. No! I'm dead! No! Ah!
That was my fault.
She
Oh my
hit me too
god. I should have
much.
stopped spamming A so I can like be more time.
I should have grabbed another bone scrap.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Let's see if I can escape for 3 times in a row.
Demba, still alive, Jesus Christ.
No, I just
Colton
died.
Oh.
Dude, we were fucking. I was baiting Sissy and Zach was doing all this shit. That means Zach switched, but I bled out and Sissy ran over to me.
Were you bled out? That's why?
No. No, yeah, I got too low. I just fucking. I was recovering and she grabbed me.
That's fine.
No, she poisoned the healing? I know.
Yeah, she can poison Hitchhiker strap. She can poison car batteries. She can poison the generator. I'm pretty sure she can poison a lot of things, buddy.
She's
also
still
really
camping over there.
annoying.
She probably is.
But she does like shit. Ah, if I had another bone scrap, I would have baited.
Nah, he saw you.
Oh, he saw you. He looked
Nah,
back
I'm not
again.
dying that easy. Fuck you. Dukes, dodge me. You stupid bitch.
Hello, my friends. What?
This is random.